National Weather Service in Oxnard.
You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KWO37, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from a tower on Mount Lukens in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast is also relayed to a transmitter near Sandburg on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. A flood advisory for the following county: Los Angeles, California. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flood advisory for Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:44 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated moderate to locally heavy rainfall moving into western Los Angeles County, with rainfall rates of 0.25 to 0.75 inches per hour, with locally higher rates. With such rainfall rates, expect widespread ponding of water on area roadways and local flooding of low-lying areas and intersections. In addition, there may be some minor and shallow mud and debris flows in and around the recent burn areas, including the Saddle Ridge, Getty and Tickburn scars. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, on Wednesday, December 25th, these were the conditions around Southern California. At downtown Los Angeles, rain was falling. The temperature was 62, and the relative humidity 80%. The wind was east at 1 mile per hour. The pressure was 30.21 and steady. At Burbank, light rain was falling. The temperature was 61, and the relative humidity 83%. The wind was northeast at 5 miles per hour. The pressure was 29.81 and steady. At Los Angeles Airport, rain was falling. The temperature was 63, and the relative humidity 77%. The wind was northeast at 3 miles per hour. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. An unknown object has been located at the Granada Hills Recreation Center at 16730 Chatsworth Street. An unknown individual was spotted exiting the object around 12:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Residents near the Granada Hills Recreation Center should avoid the area. Motorists are also encouraged to avoid the area as well. A flood advisory for the following county: Los Angeles, California. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flood advisory for Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:44 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated moderate to locally heavy rainfall moving into western Los Angeles County.
It's that special time of year again.
It's iPhone season at Sprint.
Switch and get the
new iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro with amazing all-new camera systems. And now you can get iPhone 11 for
$0 a month when you trade in your iPhone 7 or newer in any condition.
Seriously, any condition.
And with Sprint's 100% total satisfaction guarantee, you can try out the network and see the savings for yourself.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A hostage situation is occurring at the Granada Hills Recreation Center at 16730 Chatsworth Street, Granada Hills, California. The situation is possibly connected to the landing of an unknown object at the same area in which an individual exited the object. The suspect is an unknown white male, unknown age, 6 feet tall, weighing 195 pounds. The suspect was seen wearing a Santa Claus suit. The suspect's motive is currently unknown. The Los Angeles Police Department is closing all roads near the Granada Hills Recreation Center. Motorists are not allowed to enter the area at this time and are encouraged to avoid the area. Residents near the area should lock and close all doors and windows and close all blinds. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information.
How can you make McDonald's hot and deliciously juicy Quarter Pounder even more delicious? One word: bacon. The new fresh beef Quarter Pounder Bacon or Deluxe. 2 new ways to leave you speechless. Pair it with any size soft drink for just $1.
The civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for Los Angeles CA beginning at 4:13 p.m. Wednesday, December 25th and ending at 4:13 p.m. Thursday, December 26th. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. The Los Angeles Police Department is asking all residents living in the Granada Hills area to shelter in place. The Los Angeles Police Department is looking for 67-year-old Nicholas Henderson, who escaped from the Granada Hills Recreation Center in an unknown direction. He is a 67-year-old white male, 6 feet tall, weighing 195 pounds. He was last seen wearing a Santa Claus suit. The suspect is connected to a hostage situation at the Granada Hills Recreation Center after landing and exiting from an unknown object, possibly a vehicle. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. Stay tuned to local media for further information.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for central Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 4:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:13 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain from thunderstorms moving into the warned area. Rainfall rates of 1.75 to 2 inches per hour have occurred since 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Some locations that will experience flooding include Malibu, Pacific Palisades, Santa Monica, West Los Angeles, Santa Monica Mountains Recreation Area, Topanga State Park, West Hollywood, and downtown Los Angeles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flood advisory for the following counties in California, Los Angeles, and Ventura. At 12:47 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges continued to indicate moderate to locally heavy rainfall, with rainfall rates of 0.25 to 0.75 inches per hour, with locally higher rates possible. following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. The Los Angeles Police Department is continuing to search for 67-year-old Nicholas Henderson. He is a 67-year-old white male, 6 feet tall, and weighs 195 pounds. The suspect was last seen wearing a Santa Claus suit. The suspect has been connected with a hostage situation at the Granada Hills Recreation Center and has also committed arson in a nearby area shortly after escaping from the Granada Hills Recreation Center. He also has a history of past crimes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. Residents should continue to shelter in place. Stay tuned to media sources for further information.
It's an amazing deal, Jack.
Thanks, Stanley.
Ow. Wait, what's happening?
Stanley, you're deflating.
Hold me, Jack!
Only a jock.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. All clear. The suspect, Nicholas Henderson, has been apprehended and has been taken into custody. All road closures have been lifted, and motorists are now allowed back into the area.